Good morning, Southwest Florida. I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Trent Eric. We tied records yesterday. We hit 89 degrees, and the hot, dry weather continues here this morning. You see the radar sweeping around, not showing much at all on the radar. You have to go to the southern parts of Miami-Dade County. We're on that easterly breeze. We're kicking up just a couple of showers between Homestead and the Upper Keys. For us, we're going to remain dry. Our rain chances today are near zero. They're going to stay that way all the way through the upcoming weekend, and unfortunately, we continue to see our rainfall needs increase. We're about 2 3/4 inches behind since December 1st in Fort Myers, starting to approach 2 inches in Naples. With the dry conditions, hot weather, the fire danger index forecast for today in Lee County is high. The rest of the surrounding counties are sitting here in the moderate category. As far as our temperatures, we're in the upper 50s for LaBelle and Immokalee, mid to upper 60s from Punta Gorda all the way down there towards Bonita Springs. So we're starting well above our average of 58. And today we are going to see our temperatures right back in the upper 80s. We are, believe it or not, when you step outside, a couple of degrees cooler this morning, and with calm winds, we are seeing some fog develop, especially around Lake Okeechobee and up around the Peace River between Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda, where visibility on the south side of the bridge there is about a half a mile. You see the winds are right around 5. They'll increase to 10 later on this afternoon. So while we started the week, especially on Tuesday, a little blustery, we'll see our winds right there near 10 miles per hour. Your forecast for the day ahead calls for that high temperature of 89. If we hit that mark, it'll tie a record going back to 2018. Your sunset time getting closer and closer to 6:30. Our record again there is just shy of 90. Record low 1989, 37 degrees. And while we are way above that, there is a little winter weather on the map. You can see this pink and white as we've got a little icy mix developing here between Charleston, West Virginia and Paducah, Kentucky. Heavy rain in Nashville, and this extends all the way back towards Little Rock. For us today, though, that easterly wind continues. The forecast remains unchanged as we wrap up the work week. That'll push us back in the upper 80s, just a few fair weather clouds in the afternoon, and even on Saturday we are going to stay hot. We've been talking about this ridge. Well, it's going to hang on over the weekend, and we were hoping for a dip in the jet stream, and it's still there, but notice it's a little farther off to the east here this morning, and what that means for us, we're not going to be quite as cool as we were once hoping on Monday and Tuesday. If you're doing a little boating today to cool off, water temperatures at 74, seas 2 feet or less, inland waters will be a light chop. Your 7-day forecast shows the heat continuing, and then that cool down we were talking about earlier in the week, instead of 78, 79, looks like we'll only dip down to about 82 degrees.